All right. Make sure everything's recording. We good. All right. Microphone's on. Okay, I can see it moving, see it working. All right. Okay, so I am back. I am back. Uh, man, I'm just here. I was gonna go early. I was gonna live earlier, but I had to go take care of some business, man. I'm looking to get into another apartment and stuff like that. Nah, it is what it is. Just taking care of everyday adult things. So just gotta do what I gotta do. But we live, we live, and I am about to go through. Basically, I'm gonna go over what I went over last time I was live. The market is open. Today is Monday. It is May 1st. So I'm gonna go back and look through some more of the trades that I did. Not trades, but some of the analysis that I did last live. And we're gonna try to finish up we'll try to add in three more euro pairs, and that'll probably be the live for the day. Then we'll probably transition into the USD and probably move into the Canadian dollar pairs. So uh, hopefully by the end of the week, I'll probably have all of the currency pairs so I can jump off into some futures because I do plan on doing some lives going through the futures market as well and showing off that tunnel trader because I've had the tunnel trader for some time, just haven't ever had the chance to use it. Excuse me. But now I'm starting to have that time. I'm starting to have a little luxury since I'm not over the road anymore. But okay. With that being said, man, let's jump into it. So the Euro JPY. Um, well, before I start, I don't have my notebook with me, so hopefully I can remember everything. Okay, so I go based off of what they call the trader's core belief. So the trader's core belief is basically a few rules. Is that the market U-turns at certain price points, and that the market likes to U-turn at these price points. That the market is not random, and it is our job as traders to go in and find these price points, find these U-turns, and trade the U-turns. And third is the basics of, we buy low prices in the buy zone and we sell high prices in the sell zone. And we use three charts. We use the monthly chart, the daily chart, and the 1 hour chart. The monthly chart is for direction. Daily chart will give us our high and low prices. And the 1 hour chart is for buy and sell zones. And that is our entry strategy chart. We use the 1 hour time frame to enter into the market off of counter trend line breaks in the buy zone or in the sell zone in the direction of the trend. So that is the trader's core belief, and let's get into it. So uh, last live we went over the Euro JPY, Euro CAD, and the Euro USD. So we start off with the Euro JPY. So Euro JPY we use the monthly time frame as direction. And we seen here, we asked why did the market make a low here? And then we came back and we seen all of these points of U-turns, U-turn, U-turn as support. And then we cloned it and we found another level where the market was, holding as support. Then you had a bulls and bears fighting. You had price action swings here. And then we have more support, then resistance. So we give a lot of U-turns levels at this angle here. Then we also found another angle. We had found another angle at this current high here because right now the market so the market hasn't been this high since December of 2014. So we did find another convergence of resistance here, which was also a level of resistance back in 2008. So right now the market is at that at this other angle here. So we had the idea that maybe the market could be getting ready to U-turn. If not, the market will hold above this price point and it will continue to shoot up. So we were saying that the market is going up since we were at this lower, since we had hit this support level down here, the market has been going up with a monthly, um, excuse me, and we had a monthly up Fibonacci that's at the 158.45 price point. So, but if the market does want to fall from this point, we would have to get, we would have to see that U-turning on the daily time frame and the 1 hour time frame. So we were wanting this market to start falling, but we have to get that, we have to get that, we have to get confirmation on the monthly time frame whether or not the market wants to hold here and then go up, or if the market wants to come down. So with that being said, the direction on here isn't quite clear, but we're waiting for the market to either hold and continue going up, or we're waiting for it. We're looking for the price for market to U-turn and start falling back down here, back down to this price point as it's been holding support here and resistance there, and a lot of price action swings in the past. But we can only wait and get that from the market. So we're at a major U-turn level right now, and we're just waiting for confirmation from the market. But we go to the daily time frame, and we see here daily time frame, so how the market's going up. The daily time frame is only for high prices and low prices. So if the market is going to sell off, so if we're looking for the market to U-turn and hold at this price point, and we're looking for the market to sell off, we could be possibly looking for our, we could possibly be looking at our first sell trade right now. But we use daily time frame for highs and low prices, high and low prices right now. If we're looking for the market to U-turn right now, we are at a high price, and we're waiting for the market to be able to break below this blue line that's keeping the market up. So long as this is keeping the market up and the market is going to go above what has been keeping the market in this channel here for the last couple of for almost a year now. So since the market has been, since the market is going to break, if the market is going to break up and come to the backside and test the backside of this up channel as support and then go up, then we're looking to buy. But as long as we're gonna, if the market wants to hold here and then break what's been holding the market up, break this counter trend line in this channel, then we can start looking to start selling the market, because that would be the beginning of the U-turn on the daily time frame. So right now we're at a high price. We're just still waiting for confirmation. So daily time frame does give us a high price, and that would be the confirmation of the, if we can get the U-turn on the daily time frame, we would start seeing that the market held on a monthly time frame. We start seeing the market holding, or we will be looking like a false breakout on above this angle and start to come down. But again, the monthly time frame hasn't given us that confirmation. The daily time frame could possibly give us that confirmation. We're still waiting, and we go down to the 1 hour time frames. The 1 hour time frame again is we separate the market into buy zone, sell zones. See, we got all of the support here, support, support, support. As long as the market stays above this blue line, the market stays up. We're looking to buy. So in order to sell the market, we're looking for the market to break below into the sell zone, give us a retest on the backside of what was keeping the market up as support. We're looking to break down into the sell zone, test the backside as resistance, then sell counter trend line breaks in the sell zone going south. So that's the Euro JPY. Let's save that again. All right, Euro JPY. Let's go to Euro CAD, Euro CAD. All right, Euro CAD monthly time frame. we say monthly time frame currently holding above a known level of U-turn, giving us the idea that this market is moving up or bullish, looking to buy low prices on the daily time frame. Okay, excuse me. So we did come in, and then we did see that we had a low here. We traced it back there, but then we also seen another convergence level of, we seen another support level, another angle. We also seen another angle of support, 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 and we have a top of we have an angle here or a channel of resistance, resistance, a U-turn, 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 U-turn. So we want to take that seriously that right now the market is broken up back up into this channel after hitting a known level of U-turn, known level of support way back when in August of 2012. So now that the market has broken up into this channel, we could possibly be seeing what is holding, could be holding the market up right now. Even though this is the first day of the month, still got a lot of time before we actually see if the market will hold and start shooting up. But overall direction is up. We're looking for this market to go up. So we're looking to buy this market. So we go to the daily time frame. Daily time frame is for high and low prices, and we did um, we did come in and we found the lows. We found the channel where market has been holding. It comes to the blue line. The market goes up. Comes to the top of the channel. Market falls. Market falls. U-turn. So right now, the market could be traveling down to a low price. We're still at a high price right now. Waiting for this market to fall, give us if the market can break below this past resistance, if the market can break past resistance, become a future support, and come down to this channel, come to the okay, what is going on with my mouse? Excuse me. Okay. Keep right clicking on accident. All right, sorry. So like so we got U-turn, U-turn, U-turn. And then we had U-turns as support, U-turns as resistance. So yeah, we're waiting on this market to give us a low price. Ideally, we want the market to be able to come down to the bottom of the channel, hold that support, get a get a trend line break, get a trend line break where the market goes, where the market is going bullish. Then we'll start looking to buy, as that will be the confirmation of the low price to start buying when the bulls are in control. And as you see here, but this was just a practice showing how we would get into the market. So we separated the market in the buy zone, sell zone. We separated the market, buy zone, sell zone. And let's see, you got the market here, U-turn, U-turn, U-turn. Long as the market is above this blue line, it goes up. Every time it comes back to this price point, it goes up and holds. So, but for the market, we want the market to, if it's going to go to a low price, then yeah, the market will break into the sell zone, come to the backside of the sell zone, test that resistance, and then start to fall, which will give us more of a good idea of where uh, this low price on the daily time frame. It'll start to show on the daily time frame, and which we should see, which should look like here, the market moving as a trend, breaking into the sell zone, coming to the back, testing this resistance, and then falling down to the daily low price, where we can then draw in another trend line, which we can separate, which will separate the market into buy zone and sell zone again, and then wait for the market to break into the buy zone, and then we buy counter trend line breaks to the top of this daily channel in the direction of the monthly time frame. All right, let's save that. And then we got one more, Euro USD. Try to go through this one pretty quick. All right, so monthly time frame, we said monthly time frame broke through a downtrend channel. held their support on the backside of the channel, giving a good sign of bullish movement. So direction is up or bullish. So yes, we did. We got all these U-turn levels here. We had a channel here that market breaks up above it. It comes back down and holds at support. Doesn't fall below it, but then comes back up to a known level of U-turn, which is this horizontal resistance or ceiling. Then the market falls, comes back down to this angle here. And then now the market is pushing back up. And as in the past, when the market is above this line, it holds, which it looks like it held in. So yes, we're saying the market is bullish, looking to go up 1,390 more, uh, 1,390 more pips. I want to say ticks, but that's futures. Okay, so this market is bullish. Monthly time frame, daily time frame. Daily time frame again is for high and low prices. We are looking to buy this market. So we do have a Fibonacci extension at 1.1533 price point. That is the Fibon. That would be the overall uh, movement we would look to get. But as long as the market is in a channel and has been holding here, U-turning at this level of resistance here, we're going to continue to just trade up until the channel. So we can book some profits on the way going up here. But right now, we got since March, the 23rd of March, the market been kind of moving at this angle here at a high price. We do not buy high prices. We buy low prices. So we're waiting on the market to give us a low price, and ideally, in order to get that low price, we want the market to break this angle that's been holding it up, give us a low price around a known level of U-turn, which is the bottom level here of this channel. As you can see, as the market hits, goes up, touches, then we go up, and then we broke it, and then we came back to it, and then we hold as support here, market goes up, support goes up, support, market goes up. Just focus on buying the market. So right now, waiting on low price, daily time frame. And we did our monthly day 1 hour time frame as a good practice, showing what we would actually do when the buying opportunity is comes, when the market has reloaded. Separate the market into buy zone, sell zone. As long as the market is touching this line, we get false breakouts. But as long as the market is touching this blue line, the market goes up. Market goes up, U-turn, 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 U-turn. So U-turn. And again, as a trader, it is our job to find these U-turns. So we finding the U-turns. I guess the market had a little more. I guess the market did so here. Yeah, the market been open for a little while. Okay. So let's see. Yeah. So if the market is going to travel down to a low price, we're looking for the market to break this what's been holding the market up, which is where it is currently on the 1 hour time frame. We'll see it come down, then we should see it come back up. We'll go ahead and draw that out real quick, and let's get this. So basically, from where the market is right now, I want to see it come down, test the backside of the trend line as resistance, and then start to fall, making lower lows, high lows, lower lows, high lows, lower lows, high lows, till we get a low price. Like so. And then once the market does do that, then we can bring in a trend line, which would then separate the market into buy zone here and a sell zone there. And then we will wait for the market to find a level of resistance or support, break the downtrend, then give us a retest in the buy zone as support, and bingo, we'll buy the market on the counter trend line break. So that's what we're looking for. That's what we're hoping is going to happen, but market has to give us confirmation on that. All right, so that is the so we are caught up now on that. Let's go ahead and do a new layout, and we're going to start a new layout, and this is going to be Euro NZD. Gonna look at the Euro NZD, and we're gonna do the three charts, and then we need a daily, and we need a 1 hour. Okay, so the Euro and the New Zealand. Okay, let's get rid of remove all the indicators. Indicators gone, indicators gone. All right, monthly time frame. Okay, okay, okay. So monthly time frame we use as direction, and in the monthly time frame we're looking for high and low prices. We're looking for U-turns. We use the trend lines, Fibonacci's, and things like that to give us direction. And if we can find a price point or where we think the market's going to go, getting the information based off what happened in the past. So first things first, we'll bring up a trend line. And okay, I'm just gonna ask myself, okay, so why did the market make a low here? Again, we're not forcing anything. I'm just going to look and see where we can get the most touches in this market. And we just make it straightforward, not forcing anything. Mm, few false breakouts, but um, that looks pretty good. When you say we still have U-turns here, market breaking out, but then coming back up, didn't hold. But then the market slowed down. Got a fight between the bulls and bears of some consolidation. Then we break through, and market comes back up, tests again, but then holds at it or support. Then market comes back up. Okay, so we will. Okay, monthly. I like to have those. Yeah, that color. So we're going to clone this, and then we're just gonna see the market move symmetrical. We will see more touches. Um, that looks pretty good right there, doesn't it? We got highs. Mm. Well, nah, not enough touches there. Let's see. Bring it down here. We have a touch. We have a touch, touch. We do have a lot of price point swings there. And then we can actually bring it down here, which actually would be more suitable because that's where we do get the most touches. And this might have been like some news or something. Market came up indecision, but then came right back down. Same with this candlestick here. So, so it would be safe to say, okay, I like that. We still got all of this price action swings. So this price point is to be reckoned with. And let's see. So we have so see, we got support. We got support. Then the market did come down, but then went right back up at this price point. The market likes to U-turn at, on, or around the same price points. And then we had resistance here. Now we had support there. Then you got a little what looked like support there, and then on the opposite side, we had this market holding as resistance. We had a ceiling of resistance. We had a breakout, maybe some major news, but then indecisions, and the bears took back over. And then we had resistance here again, same at this place here. A lot of price action swings. We held here, and we could possibly be getting ready to hold here, looking like the market is already starting to reverse. So that being simple, we're just going to trade. Let's just trade the channel. So if the market is going to come here and then go up and then find support, go up to resistance, find support, and we go up to resistance, and kind of hung around till we're back down at support again and going up to resistance. So basically, information is saying that in the past, the market was that this price point, the market likes to travel back down to this price point. Normally takes about a year, but if the market likes to U-turn at, on, or around certain price points, then it's safe to say that this market is getting ready to turn bearish. So let's type that up, and let's just say monthly time frame. Say monthly time frame. Monthly time frame is it's in a up channel. This channel is going up. The monthly time frame is in an up channel at a known point of U-turn, at a known price of U-turn, a known price of U-turn. Looking for this market to fall bearish inside of the channel. All right, that simple. We'll just keep it that simple. Okay, we have the monthly time frame. In this channel, we found a channel of multiple levels of resistance, support, of resistance and support. Market coming to the top of this channel, falling down to the bottom. Then the market coming up to the top of the channel, then falling. Then it came back up, held, fall, held, falling again, coming to the bottom. And now it looks like the market wants to go back up to the top, which could possibly be a U-turn level at, on, or around the same price points as it's done in the past. So we could be looking for this market to fall. Let's see here. Could be looking for this market to fall about 2,090 pips if the market wants to hold at, on, or around this price point at the top of this channel. So we have the direction. Our direction is bearish. So we're looking to sell this market. We go to the daily time frame. Daily time frame is for our buys. I mean, not buys on sell zone. Our daily time frame is used for highs and low prices. We still use the same methodology that we did on the monthly time frame. We have to come in and we have to find levels of U-turns. We have to find the U-turns. What is holding them? What is keeping the market up, and what is keeping the market down? So we could come in here and we can go see where the current price point is and just ask ourselves, okay, so why did the market make a low here? And just go back, see what all we can find, what type of touches we have here. Um, see, you got touch there, you got touches. Okay. Well, let's see if we can clone that. And let's see if we can find some symmetric movements. Okay. We got touches here. We got some, like you got some resistance, and the market broke above it. And it looks like it held and came down, which price is currently at right now. Okay, so, or is there another one that we can possibly find? Because basically this last year, December, a couple of months ago, see, the market said about this one. Mm, could be false breaks. One more touches. Oh, I don't know. That could be. Could that be a new channel? Could it be? I don't know, but it has been holding for a couple of months. This angle right here has been holding, because you got a lot of touches here. Market holding here, going up, don't go up. It's not going above this price point. And basically that was back, well, started in uh January this year. So it's been a couple of months. The market just been kind of staying, not dropping below this price point right here. So I mean, we'll keep this overall channel here, but the market still, in the past, market still likes to come down to this lower price point here, then go up, and then it just holds almost what, maybe a week or two, where it just kind of held, just sideways movement around this price point. Then it fell and came all the way back down here to this bottom price point. Oh, let's see. Let's bring that up. As you can see, you got support there, support, support, market going up. Now this new angle for the last couple months, market's just been shooting up, holding above that price, not moving above this. And then on the opposite side, you can see where the market held, resistance, resistance had a touch there, fell, touch there, fell, touch there, fell. And then all of this price action sideways movement, we didn't get, really couldn't get anything to hold and move up. It just kind of kept going up and down, and then boom, we broke underneath, and it held, and then right now, kind of doing the same thing as what been going on back here in the past. So, um, high prices and low prices. Let's see here. Do we have any confirmation of a Fibonacci extension that has been hit that could give us the possible the because right now the market is at a high price. The market did break down in this. It was down a high price inside of this up channel, this whole up channel here. But I wouldn't look to go further than this low right here, because this is a U-turn level that's been keeping the market up. So we are at a high price. Market is back inside of this channel, overall this channel here. And let's see. Let me pull up a Fibonacci real quick. I have to connect these. All right, so we got 1, 2 candlesticks to the left, 1, 2 candlesticks to the right. And that's that. So that is a 618 extension. Looked like it got hit. Then the market just kind of fell off a little bit. It got hit here, but he had a lot of sideways movement. So if we bring Fibonacci's in here, 1, 2 to the left, 1, 2 to the right, higher than center week low. You got if we did bring a Fibonacci in here, so 1, 2, 1, 2, then you had a retracement there, then you got hit there, then you had the lowest point right here, lowest point of the U-turn there. Um, then we go there. Yep. Okay, so wait a minute, let me get this off of the chart. Get this off of here. No. Okay, so basically following Fibonacci's from back when this angle started, this you had a 618 retracement. Market didn't come down to the 786. So you had a 6-8 retracement. So we're looking to go up to the 618. So basically the market took out this 618 extension. So this market has been hit, is at a known level of U-turn. The market went up above, and then it just kind of stopped and hung out. Now back inside. We're back inside of this channel here. So we're currently at a high price right now. And we could be looking to sell right now because we are in, and then even if we brought in from that angle another trend line. So we brought in another angle from this trend line here. So if the market was staying up like this, mm, woohoo. Who you call? Okay. Okay. Well, they probably ain't in there then. Okay. Yeah, I'm just waiting on that. That's all. Yeah. Okay. All right, bad. So, all right. If this was keeping the market up, right? So this was keeping the market up. That's market. That was fast market speed. But again, like I said, from that was keeping the price up. And you see, the market never fell below this angle here over the last couple of months. So it is safe to say that if the market is going to fall, and we're going to trade this, we're at a high price. We're right now at a high price. We have broken what was keeping the market up. What's up? Yeah, I'll take it. So we broke what was keeping the market up, and hold up. Okay. Just getting back on track. Distracted. So I had these. Okay, so the market, this angle was keeping the market up. Starting back in December of last year. So it's just been keeping the market up, and then we had rapid movement. All this beginning of last month, because we're in May. So the month of April, this market just kept going up. And then now we're at the top of this channel at known points of U-turn, which the market has went up and U-turned the last 2 days. And we're back in the channel. So we're at a high price. And we can be looking to trade this, looking to sell the Euro NZD. Let's see here. If we could sell it down to the angle excuse me, sell it down to the angle that's been keeping the market up the last 4 months. So that would be 400, more or less, give or take 410 pips. So that is the daily time frame. We are at a high price. The market is inside of the channel at known U-turns at a high price. At a high price. At a high price, at a known level of U-turn, going in the direction of the monthly time frame. What we said, the monthly time frame likes the market likes to U-turn at, on, or around certain price points, which the market is last month did come to at, on, or around this resistance angle that's been keeping the market down. So, with that being said, we jump into the 1 hour time frame. And again, 1 hour time frame is for the 1 hour time frame is for buy zone, buy zones, and sell zones. So we need to go back and we need to find, because we could potentially be making a sale here pretty soon on this market here. Let's bring in some information. Let's see. Okay, so why did we make a low here? Just find the low prices, go back, and let's see what has been keeping the market up. Not forcing nothing, just seeing where we get the most touches. Mm, like we got some false breaks here. Go. Um, nah, nah, I don't quite like that one. Start it over, start it over. All right, let's go to the current price point and let's find the low here. Go back, find the low. Okay, so why did the market make lows here? Let's just go back and see if we can figure out why. Bingo. Now that looks better. Yeah, this looks a whole lot better. And we just stretch it out there. Boom, that looks a whole lot better right there. All right, there it is. Okay, so you see here, we have market and buys as long as the market um, down to this line, keeps the market up. Uh-oh, I need to continue drawing. Holds the market up, holds the market up. Well, we didn't have any we didn't hold that resistance to fall. And then we came back up, held, held. As long as the market has been staying above this line, the market comes up. So this would be so we have our sell zone, we have our buy zone. Oh, thank you. So we have our buy zone and we have our sell zone. Sandwich and chips, y'all. Sorry about that. All right, so buy zone and we have sell zone. There's our buy zone, and here's our sell zone right here. So market comes to this line, goes up, and right now we have the market breaking into the sell zone. Market broke into the sell zone. We had a counter trend line break in the sell zone. That is what we look for. So that would have been sell number one. And then you put your stops in the sell zone. Matter of fact, let me go back. Let's go to the daily time frame. So um, we probably want to get out before the market actually touches the bottom. So that would be, say, if the market is going to fall to the bottom of the channel, we get out before the market actually touches. So we'll probably get out at, let me bring a horizontal line in. So the market's going to fall at this angle. Just come up a little bit. And we get out right before the market touches, comes down to touch that angle again. So we're looking at roughly about price point of 1.7, what price point that's 71744. 1.7446. Okay. Put that price point here on a 1 hour time frame. Price point is 1.7446. So this is where we're looking to go. Make that green. So we're looking to sell the market down to the bottom of that channel, roughly around that point, price point. And right now, yes, right now we would have had a sell trade because this is exactly what we look for in our methodology and our trading, our traders' core beliefs. But we buy low in the sell zone, and no, we buy low prices in the buy zone, and we sell high prices in the sell zone. As you can see, the market is in the sell zone, and we did have a touch on the backside, holding as resistance in the sell zone. Market sold off. Lower market came, looks like found a double bottom. Look like, let's see, yeah, yeah, came down a little further, but yeah, you can see that. Uh, yep, had a touch here, touch there. So right now we are in the sell zone, selling counter trend line breaks, and we're gonna put our stops in the sell and the buy zone above the most recent high, which would be above here. So let's see, we put another horizontal line and 7973, and let's make that red. That'll be our stops. So we go 7983. We'll just go 10 point pips up, 1.7983. Bingo. So that would be the trading plan. That'll be our stops. And let's see here, price. So at current price point, that is a 187 pip stop. Got the stops out of the way of the market movement. About 189, about 190, about 190 pips stop. But our reward 338. Hmm, excuse me. So that is the trade plan. We have to take risk management into play here. And right now, so that would have been our first sell trade, which really, honestly, we probably still could get in, but we sell counter trend line breaks. We want to stay true to our trade plan. So we want to stay true to our beliefs. So let's just bring in another counter trend line right here. Wait. Let me redo that. And so just like that, just bring in another counter trend line. Wait for the market to break that. Once the market closes below this counter trend line, yeah, once the market can close below that counter trend line right there, we'll sell the market again. We'll sell the market. And we'll put our stops up here. And that's the profit we're gonna go to, and we'll monitor that. So let's set an alert here. Add an alert on that trend line. All right. When it's crossing down the trend line, and we need it once per bar close. And we're gonna call it Euro NZD sell. Okay. Create that. All right. We have an alert there. I'm waiting on that. So to go over this real quick before I go to the next one. Like I said, we came in, found the U-turn levels. We see a lot of breakouts with a known prices U-turn, and right now the market is at or around a known level of U-turn. So we're looking for this market to start falling down. 2,090 pips could possibly be a year, as we see in the past. It doesn't always fall exactly or go straight up, all the way to the top. It takes a couple of months for it to get done. Then you have some months where you just have a lot of consolidation, and then, but knowing that it comes down to these non-level U-turn, we're looking for the market to possibly fall back down. That is back up around this price point of resistance. So we're looking to sell. Daily time frame, we did the same thing. we found a we found a 618 Fibonacci up extension that had been taken out, that had been hit about a day or so, about a few days ago, about 5 days ago. So when when the buyers have hit that 618 extension, the market does like to U-turn, and then we are at a known level of U-turn in this channel on the daily time frame. But we want to sell only to the angle that has been keeping the market up the last couple of months here since December of last year. So, but if the market wants to break this angle, we can sell. We can get back into it and start selling it down further to the bottom of this channel that's been holding it since March of last year. So that's the daily time frame. We are at a high price. The market is back inside of this up channel. It could be possibly holding that resistance. And we go to the 1 hour time frame. We see 1 hour time frame. We separated the market into buy zones and sell zones. Long as the market was staying above this blue line, was looking to buy it. But now we are in the sell zone. We are safely using counter trend line breaks in the sell zone off of the daily time, off of the high price of the daily time frame, where the bears are taking control. Well, it looks like the bears have been taking control since April 23rd. So about April 26th. Yeah, a couple of days. What? 2 3 days. Excuse me. So that gives us the idea that it is safe to sell the market here. All right. So we're just waiting on that. We're gonna monitor that. And let's save that. First, let's rename it. And we're gonna go Euro. We're gonna go Euro NZD. Oh yeah, Euro NZD. Okay. Let's save that. Bingo. And let's do a new layout. So we got the new layout. But we have the Euro NZD. We have the CAD. We have the USD and the JPY. Now the Euro A, with this Euro AUD, and I think Euro and the British pound, I believe. But we're gonna just do Euro AUD. We'll jump into that one. All right, and Euro, Australian dollar. Let's pull up our monthly, and let's pull up our daily, and we need our hourly. All right, we're gonna run through this one, and then go take a quick break. It's been about an hour. I got a sandwich and chips. Try to knock this out real quick. All right, Euro AUD. Euro AUD again. We use the monthly time frame for direction. We are using trend lines, getting past information to see where the market likes to go. What is the market trending? And we use Fibonacci's to find maybe a price point the market is moving to. And we're looking for those known levels of U-turn. So we go to the current price point, and then we see where is that major low. First major lows are right here, so let's bring in that trend line here, and let's see exactly what the market is wanting to tell us. Mm, it's actually kind of a lot of sideways movement on this chart, to be honest. A lot of sideways movement. I don't actually know. No, it can't be that. Or could it be this? Oh, let's see what that looks like. Yeah, not forcing nothing. We're not make believing U-turns. We just finding what's straightforward. What I mean, this is okay. This is straightforward here. Like just a known level of U-turn. The market has been respecting for over a decade. Support, support, resistance, resistance. Break above it, it comes down. Support and support, support. So let's clone this and let's see if there's any symmetrical movement in the market at this price point. I mean, for with this angle. So see if we can get some touches. Okay. Okay. That again, that's straightforward right there. As you can see, maybe yeah, straightforward again. Okay. So as you can see, we got U-turn here, U-turn, 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 U-turn. Maybe some news or something happened in the markets, but then the market came back up, and then the next month it came right back down. So that could be considered a false break. Then we came back and then we have resistance here. Hold up. Let me see. Um, so you see we have floor support, support, then we have support right here, support there, and you have another level of support here and another level of support there. And then on the reverse, you have resistance, you got resistance here, resistance, resistance, resistance again, more resistance, a false breakout, a resistance. And right now, this market is going up to possibly go to resistance again. Now remember, the market U-turns at, on, or around certain price points. So if the market is at the top of this trend line, I mean the top of this channel, safe to say we can start looking to, boom, sell the market. If this channel is going to hold true and the market wants to U-turn now, we would need to see the bears taking control right now. But it is also true in the past that mm, I mean, technically the market could still be, if the market wanted to come up, the market could still be 500 or so pips. The market could still be 500 or so pips before it wants to U-turn. So um, until we can get around this price point for the U-turn, but anticipating the U-turns, we would have to get confirmation that this market either wants to continue to go up, which it has U-turn at here at this known price point, still traveling to a known level of U-turn. It's still about 500 or so pips away. And once we can get up to this known level of U-turn, then we can start looking to sell. So right now, this market, the trade ideal is we looking to buy the market up until a known level of U-turn, which is still about 500 or so pips away. So let's type that up. All right, now text, I can say monthly, uh, monthly, monthly time frame is traveling, is traveling. Am I spelling that wrong? Because it's not pulling it up. Monthly, monthly time frame. Monthly time frame is moving bullish towards a known level, of U-turn, but spell level wrong. A known level of U-turn, but it's still 500. But it's still 500 pips away from the known U-turn level until the market gives confirmation of U-turning of you turning, I will I will look to buy the market up to the known level of U-turn. Got that? True. All right. So right now, uh, in this market, I'm going to look to buy the market up until we can get a little closer to that price point, that U-turn level right there, and we could possibly. Is there one, two candlesticks to the left? Oh yeah, there is a Fibonacci here. We can bring that Fibonacci here at the lowest point. One, two candlesticks to the left, one, two to the right, and then stretch it up to here where there's one, two candlesticks to the left, one, two to the right. That is a proper high, and you can see Fibonacci extension right there. Uh, there's a Fibonacci extension at this price point of 1.7026. Yeah, 1.726. Let's do that. Hold on, the price point is 1.7026. Bingo. There's a Fibonacci extension right there, and how far is it away from current price point? Bingo. About 470 so pips. So safe to say that yes, we are looking to buy this market up for another 400 or 475 pips, 400, 500 pips, bullish or buying opportunity. So, okay. With that being said, we have our direction looking to buy up another 500 pips up to a known level of U-turn. So, let's see here. Hold on, make sure am I still recording? Yeah, yeah. Okay. All right, daily time frame. So if we're looking to buy this market, that means that we use the daily time frame for high and low prices. So we use the daily time frame for high and low prices. Our job is to come in and find these U-turn levels. We go to our current price point and let's see why is the market making U-turns at whatever level it wants to make U-turns at. Um, so let's just go current price point, find the most recent major low from the current price point, which would be here. And let's bring in the trend line and let's see what the market want to tell us. Like what's really going on in the markets right now. Mm, I mean, that's a level. I mean, that is a level. Yeah, that is a level. Yep. But is there more of a channel that the market wants to move at? Let's see, yeah, that price point mark has been, as long as it's below it, it's been staying down, then it comes above it, and it goes up. So let's see, maybe there's another angle market wants to move at. Yeah, not forcing anything, just looking for it to be straightforward. Mm, but then that would be a couple of levels too, right? That would be an angle. Yeah. These trend lines can be kind of tricky sometimes, but that is an angle right there. Where the market just it's just been U-turning, U-turning, U-turning. Okay, but yeah, this I did more so like this angle right here. So it's like, yeah, well, maybe we need to bring in more candlesticks and see. Maybe we don't have enough data. Just bring in some more data, right? Mm, mm. This is one that's kind of tricky, but maybe I'm just not seeing it right now. But that's why they say, that is our job to come in the markets and to find the high prices and low prices where the market likes to U-turn, known levels of U-turn. I said we're looking to buy this market up another 400 or 500 pips. Hmm. Okay, let's try it again. Let's try it again. So this low from the current price point, this low here, right here, and we're just gonna bring it here. Just bring it here and come back down. So we do have some touches there. Um, some angle there. And so why did the market touch there? Okay. All right, that looks a little bit better. U-turn, had a little false breakage, and then we had U-turn and had some more breakage there, but the market did. This is more of a consolidation here, though. That's more of the sideways movement. Then the market decided it was going to go back up again. So yeah, we cannot. That's right. I need to change the color of this. Excuse me. So yeah, we cannot ignore this level right here. You see that resistance, resistance broke above it, support, 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 support again, and now going up. But now it has been holding at this angle going up again after it broke above, but it used this support level to stay up, but now it's using this angle again as support again. Okay, we found that one. So now let's make this angle, clone it, and see if we have any symmetrical movement at the top part that the market is showing. That most recent high, right? Which we do have touches, touches. We're not necessarily concerned about those, this right here, because again, we can see that that was a part of sideways movement. But it's like now the market is back in this angle here. So, okay, bring in our arrows, show our U-turn points. So we had support here, and we got support there, there. Then we still have support here and here. Then the market consolidated here at this angle, but then we came back up into this channel with support here, support there, and support here. And it's the same as resistance. See, we have resistance here, and then the market broke up, but then it didn't hold. It was just a bunch of market movement, price action, and then we have resistance there. Then even in the consolidation, we got resistance, and then you got resistance here. So I'm okay with this. All right. So daily time frame, we have U-turn. We found some U-turn levels, and the daily time frame is for highs and high prices and low prices. So we are looking to buy this market up to the monthly Fibonacci extension, which that price point is 17026. So 17026. Let's bring in a horizontal and let's make that price point 17026. All right, bing. So this is the monthly target of the monthly Fibonacci extension. That is the monthly target we're looking for, and we're waiting for the market to give us a low price. Let's bring in the trend lines. Well, let's just draw it up real quick. So basically, we want this market to either fall down right now, or the market's going to come up or move in the waves like this, come down to a known level of U-turn. And we're looking to buy right there. You trash that and get rid of this. So we waiting for the market to come down. Matter of fact, we get rid of these two. Let's get rid of that. All right, so basically we're waiting on this market to wave down or come down, then give us a low price at a known level of U-turn, and then we can buy the market up to the daily, up to the monthly Fibonacci extension. So we had a high price, and we just gonna monitor this, waiting for the market to travel down to a low, give us a lower price at a known level of U-turn. So 1 hour time frame, we do not currently have a low price, but looks like we could have a, see here, well, from right here. All right, bingo. I believe so. No, 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 no. So again, the daily time frame will have more weight than this. So that would be a false um, buy zone, sell zone. We'll use the same methodology here. That we'll still have to wait for the market to travel down to a low price on the daily time frame. So we can start looking for the U-turns and buy counter trend line breaks in the buy zone off of a low price on the daily time frame in the direction of the monthly time frame, which is traveling to a known level of U-turn at resistance. So let's go back and all right, current price point. This is that low here. Let's see what we can find. Let's see if we can find some touches. See what's keeping the market up. Okay. Boom. There it is right there. So we separate the market into buy zones and sell zones. So market comes to this blue line, it's keeping the market up, keeping the market up, keeps the market up, comes down here, keeps it up, then hits it again, and then keeps it up. So this is safe to say that this is our buy zone, and we have a sell zone. So we got a buy zone here, we have a buy zone, and we have a sell zone. All right. So we're just waiting for this market to break into, we're waiting on this market to give us a low price. But for practice, if we're going to buy this market, we will wait. We're going to wait for the market to give us a lower price at a known level of U-turn, and then we buy. Excuse me. And then we're gonna buy counter trend line breaks in the buy zone. Once we get that low price on the daily time frame, bingo. So that's what we'll be waiting for, and we get. And you bring in that counter trend here, and that's exactly what we're gonna be waiting for. Matter of fact, let's do that again, because that don't look right. And just practice. Get rid of this, rid of this, rid of this, rid of this, rid of this. All right, so got our counter trend line here. We're in the buy zone. So once we get that low price, this is basically what we'll be looking for. Just looking for the market to give us wave movements as such. Break into the buy zone, backside of the trend line, and then we'll buy it right there. Yes, sir. That is what we are looking for. Once we can get the low price, once the market gets into the buy zone, market we're going to break this trend line. No, actually, we will buy it here. Excuse me. We'll go buy it. We will buy it here. Once the market breaks into the buy zone, that breaks that trend line. We'll break this kind of trend line in the buy zone. We'll buy the market there, and then we'll put our stops in the opposite zone. Okay, so that is the methodology. That is the core beliefs, traders' core beliefs. We buy low in the sales. We buy low prices in the buy zone, and we sell high prices in the sell zone. And we use our monthly time frame for direction, daily time frame for high and low prices, 1 hour time frame for buy zones and sell zones. And we enter the market off of counter trend line breaks in the buy zone, and we sell the market we sell the market off of counter trend line breaks in the sell zone. Yes. So there we go. That is Euro NZD, Euro AUD. We did NZD already. So we still got 500 or so pips to go up north, and we're currently waiting on a low price on the daily time frame at a known point of U-turn. Get that low price there, we start looking to buy. But once we get that low price in the buy zone, this is what we would be looking for. Be waiting for a counter trend line break at a known level of U-turn, and then we will buy the market in the buy zone, and we will put our stops what below the angle that's been keeping the market up. So, all right, we're gonna save this. Let's rename it. This is Euro AUD, and straight like that. So, I think we got one more left, right? Then we got Euro. There's Euro AUD. We did Euro NZD. We got the CAD. We got the JPY. We got the USD. So yeah, I think the only one we have left is Euro GBP, Euro, and the British pound. So let's remove the indicators. I'll go ahead and set the charts up. And we got monthly, we need daily, and we need 1 hour. All right, y'all. I will be right back. What? How long we been live? Been live for hour 25 minutes. So take me about a 10 minute. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I'm back. Hey, took a little longer than I wanted to, but back. Let's go ahead and let's go and get one more. Pretty much ain't gonna probably ain't gonna see too much more movement in the market today because it is 3 o'clock right now. Normally this is around the time the market kind of slows down. Uh, we'll see. Let's see what we find here. Okay, so just to recap on the traders' core beliefs. We believe that the market moves at known levels of U-turn. It is our job as traders to find these levels of U-turn, and we find those U-turn levels using trend lines, Fibonacci's, support and resistance, and we use our monthly time frame for direction. We use our daily time frame for high and low prices, and we use our 1 hour time frame for buy zone and sell zones. And we enter into the market in buy zones and sell zones. So we got the Euro GBP. We're gonna get on the monthly time frame, and we need to find U-turns using trend lines, Fibonacci's, and support and resistance levels to find direction. So we're going to come into the market at current price point, and then we're going to go back and find the most major low. We go back, find the most major low. There it is there. And let's go back and see what the story is being told in the market. Not forcing anything, just looking for straightforward U-turn levels. Let's see here. There, most recently there. Okay. Looks good to me. We got U-turn levels. Got multiple touches. And we'll turn those purple, monthly time frame. And then we go, all right, so we see what we got. U-turn, we got U-turn here. We got resistance, and we got support, 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 and support. So as of August of 2016, this angle has been keeping the market up. Every time the market comes close to it, goes up. Comes close to it, goes up, goes up. So let's clone this and see if we have any symmetrical movement on what would be a resistance level. Let's see here. Got a lot of movement here. Let's see here. Actually, we do have a lot of touches around this price point area right here. So it's safe to say market likes to U-turn at, on, or around the same price points. So if symmetrical movement at this angle, you have U-turn levels. You have U-turn levels here where the market came to this price point, stayed up there, stayed up here, 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 and U-turn there. And We have the opposite side as resistance there, market held resistance there, U-turn there, U-turn there, and yeah, the market come up, but if it came back right below it, you got U-turn here, held there, market held there, market held there, and the market could possibly be wanting to hold at on or around that price point there. So let's see. Um, Fibonacci extension. If we have a Fibonacci extension, not necessarily a good one. You have this low here, and that high would be way up here. But if we did bring it in, if we did bring in the Fibonacci, this candlestick up to that high, we have a retracement of 618. So the market would, we would look for the market to bounce up to this, to the 618 level up here. But is that level, that would be the highest the market has been, and we have no past information of the market ever going that high. But the market did get close to it around December of 2008. So, with that being said, I wouldn't necessarily agree with that level only if the market was to break up and hold as support on the backside of what has been keeping the market down since August of 2017. So let's see here. We take the Fibonacci off and we'll get rid of that. So at the current price point, if market is going to go up and touch this known level of U-turn, well, maybe there's another, maybe we have another level of another level of support or resistance here. Do we have another level? Could be, could be, could be. But that's a lot of breakthroughs. Maybe it's one here. Is that, could that be one? Oh, I messed up. I'm gonna get rid of that one. I messed up. So why did the market just go all the way up here and make a high there? Could that be? Oh, but that wouldn't be. That wouldn't give us too much information. Yeah, it wouldn't give us too much. Because then we'll have to bring one in here. You know, like the market make a low here. Touches. Mm, yeah, you can see it's kind of, this market may be a little bit harder to kind of, yeah, the market would kind of be a kind of a little too hard to, if we're looking for straight up and down movements, because this would just be monthly time frame. This would just be like, it would just be like one movement. If you got a wave going up, then you got one coming down, a wave coming up. So it won't be, that won't be too much information. So, okay, direction. So since the market U-turns at known level of U-turn, um, the market did come at on or around this price point, this angle here, which the market has been going through, but not holding above. But he had one stop here, stop there, and he had some candlesticks, got close there, but then held, came back down. So if the market is going to continue up around this price point. Let's see here. This market has been going up for since March, started in March of last year. So basically, this market has been going up for almost a whole year. Lately, it's been coming down, but um, at the current price point, we still have, let's see, current price point, we still have about 280 pips or so to go to get to that level of U-turn. So currently, we know that in the past, the market likes to travel up to resistance once it touches support. So we do have a touch of support here, and but we did get a touch of resistance right here. But the question would be whether or not was that does what does it say in the past? Okay, so in the past the market came above this level, but it continued to go up still. So based on past information and history like to repeat itself, the market does once it makes this type of movement, it still goes up to get more of a closer price point or more information or more support or resistance at this price point at the top of the channel. So safe to say that this, based on past information, that the monthly time frame on the euro British pound is going up. So we're looking to buy the market. So monthly time frame, monthly time frame, uh, going toward monthly time frame is going toward resistance price point, resistant price point, which is a known level of U-turn based on the past information. Monthly time frame going toward resistance price point, which is a known level of U-turn based on the past information. Uh, I am I am looking to buy this market up to U-turn, the known U-turn level of 200, about 200 and about 300 pips. Turn level of 300 pips. So 300 pips or so. We're looking at 300 pips opportunity right now. Probably could focus on buying. The focus on buying. Yeah. Okay, so monthly time frame direction. So we're gonna use the monthly time frame to say that this market is going up. We're looking to buy it, to buy. We're looking to buy this market up to the known level of U-turn. So monthly time frame is giving us direction, which we're looking to buy. So now daily time frame. We use the daily time frame. We use the same methodology on the daily time frame. We need to find the highs and lows, and we need to find these price points, find known levels of U-turn, which the market likes to move in, using the same methodology on the monthly time frame. And the daily time frame is used for high and low prices, and we're looking to buy this market. So in order to buy the market, we have to buy a low price. So in order to get the low price, to see if the market is at a low price or at a high price on the daily time frame, current price point, and we go back and find the most recent major low, which will be this right here. So we're just gonna find this low, and then we're gonna go back and see what the market is telling us. Does the market want to move at an angle? Does it want to move? Um, just see where we're getting the most touches. Is the market in consolidation? What are we getting here? Okay, that looks pretty good, doesn't it? I'll bring in some more candlesticks just to see. Uh, Not again, not forcing nothing. We're just looking for what's giving us the touches, U-turn levels. Okay. Market likes to U-turn at, on, or around certain price points. So we see this. So we got U-turn here, U-turn, U-turn, U-turn. We have U-turn. That market is currently around, at, on, or around that price point. All right, so let's clone this. Actually, let's change the color of that. Now we're going to clone it and look for symmetrical movement on the opposite side. Let's see, maybe that was this high. So you off?
No, I logged in and then the headset wouldn't work.
Oh, sucks.
No, it's not. Just so you do.
Okay. Yeah, still live. All right. So, all right, we got that. That's um. Let's see, we got U-turn here. We got support here. We got U-turn there. U-turn there. We got one, two, well, 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 5, 6, and 7. And this could right now be a low price looking to buy to the top of this channel. And then we had the same thing on the reverse. We got resistance here. Market came back. Looked like it held the backside support, but then it shot up. And then we came right back down to it. And now we're right back in this channel. So we got resistance there, and then you had resistance up there. So safe to say that now we have a low price monthly time frame. We're saying that this market is going to go up to a non-level of U-turn. So we're looking to buy um daily time frame. We had a low price at a non-level of U-turn. So we're gonna do this. We'll bring in this trend line here. Okay, now once the market can hold at a known level of U-turn back since all, uh, August 2nd of last year, this angle has been holding the market up. So if the market's going to hold up, it's going to hold this price point, then the buying should start to happen in the next couple of days. So the market should break back up into this channel and give us the confirmation once we can break above what's been keeping the market down since February this year. So long as this is keeping the market down, once the market can break into above that line that's keeping it down, that's where we can start buying the market at a low price. So we got a low price here. So monthly is up. We have a low price on the daily. So now everything monthly, daily lines up. Now we have to use our 1 hour time frame to separate the market into buy zones and sell zones. So since we are at a low price right now, like we practice on the last pair, let's see, bring in more chart, bring in more data to separate the market into a buy zone and a sell zone. So right here, oh, bingo. All right, trend line right there. Okay, let's turn this one blue. Okay, so we are at a, hold on, go back to the daily time frame. Let's go back. This would be what? It's April, 25th of April. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so the 25th of April was when? Okay, back here. All right. So we are currently at a low price, right? So this is our buy zone. Here's our buy zone. Here's our buy zone, and here's our sell zone. So if we are at a low price on a daily time frame and we are looking to buy this market, then wait. Okay, so if we are at a low price on the daily time frame, monthly time frame is going up. So we want the market to break above into the buy zone, hold that resistance on the backside, start to push up, and then we will buy counter trend line breaks in the buy zone, like so. Let's see. Yep, we separated the market into buy zone, sell zones. So we wait for the market to jump into the buy zone. Then we have to get a retest at support, and then we buy counter trend line breaks in the buy zone, like so. And just buy them counter trend line breaks. All right. So that is the trade plan for your GBP. That is the trade plan. So go back over it real quick. Monthly time frame, we got a channel, we got support, and we got resistance, and we said we got a U-turn at support, but it's still traveling up to resistance, still 300 pips away. So it gives us a um, bullish direction or direction that's going up. Daily time frame, we found a channel where we have support. Market goes up, U-turn levels here. We have an angle of support, and then we have also an angle of resistance. So we are currently at the support angle of this channel. And if the market will hold that price point, we can look to buy it up to the top of this. We can look to buy to the, back to resistance of this angle in the direction of the monthly. And on the daily time, 1 hour time frame, we got a market separated into a buy zone and we have a sell zone. As long as the market's going to stay below this line, we're not looking to buy. Wait for the market to jump into the buy zone, test the backside, and hold support in the buy zone. Then buy counter trend line breaks in the buy zone on the way to the top of resistance on the daily time frame. So, all right, that's that. To say that, rename it Euro GBP, and that's cool. All right, so that's all the Euro pairs. We done with that. I've been live 2 hours, man. I'm gonna cut it right here, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one though.